Our third lesson for this week is the introduction to probability. And our objective is to illustrate an experiment, outcome, sample space, and event. For our first activity, give the possible outcomes of the following. For number 1, tossing a coin. Ayan. So, kung may coin ako, pwedeng piso, 5 peso, 25 cents. Ayan, 10 pesos. 10 peso coin, tulad ng nakikita ninyo sa screen. Ano yung mga possible outcomes? And the answer is head or tail. Number 2, rolling a die. Ayan, die is a single form for dice. Since a die has 6 faces, numbered 1 to 6, then the possible outcomes are numbers 1 to 6. Number 3, choosing a day in a week. So, ilan ba ang araw sa isang linggo? At ano-ano ang mga araw na ito? Ayan. So, ang sagot ay Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. For number 4, picking a vowel letter from the English alphabet. English alphabet is composed of 26 letters from A to Z. Pero, alin lang dito ang mga tinatawag na vowel? And the answer is A, E, I, O, and U. Number 5, picking a month in a year with 31 days. Sa calendar, uh, in, in a year, it is composed of 12 months. Pero alin lang sa mga months na ito ang may 31 days? And the answer is January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. So from this activity, numbers 1 to 3, tossing a coin, rolling a die, choosing a day in a week, these are called experiments. Experiment is any trial or procedure done, resulting to a specific outcomes. Ayan. So, dito kasi tayo nagkaroon ng trial para magkaroon tayo ng mga possible outcomes. Kaya ang tawag dito ay experiments. Sa mga naging sagot natin, tulad ng head, tail, 1 to 6, and Monday to Sunday, ang tawag naman dito ay outcomes. So, an outcome is a possible result of an experiment. Possible result. And then, if we will write these outcomes into set form, tulad ng set of head, tail, set of numbers 1 to 6, and set of days in a week, ang tawag naman dito ay sample space. Sample space is a list of all or complete possible outcomes in a set form. And lastly, yung problem natin sa 4 and 5, picking a vowel letter from the English alphabet with our answer A, E, I, O, U. And for number 5, picking a month in a year with 31 days, January, March, July, May, July, August, October, and December. Ayan. So, ang tawag naman dito ay event. Event is a list of favorable outcomes. So, kung mapapansin niyo kay event, nagkaroon tayo ng condition, 'di ba? Halimbawa, yung English alphabet, 'di ba? Ang English alphabet ay composed of 26 letters from A to Z. Pero, ang gusto niya lang makuha ay ang vowel letters, 'di ba? Same with number 5. Ang isang taon ay mayroong 12 months. Pero ang gusto niya lang kunin ay ang mga months na may 31 days. So, nagkaroon ng conditions. Ang tawag dito ay event. Our second activity, since you are already know what is experiment, sample space, event, and an outcome, let's complete this table. Ayan. So, for our first experiment is flipping two coins. So, this time, meron tayong dalawang coins. Okay? So, kung i-flip natin ito ng sabay, what are the possible and complete list of outcomes? Ang ating sample space. Ayan. Unang-una, pwedeng pag-flip ko ng coin, parehong head ang lumabas. Pwede rin namang head ang first coin, tail ang second coin. And then, pwede ring tail ang first coin, head ang second coin. And lastly, pwede rin naman silang parehong tail. So, these are the sample space of flipping two coins. Now, if I just want to get the first coin as a head, what are the possible outcomes? Ayan. So, pwede rito ang head-head and head-tail. Ayan. Kasi ang first coin natin ay head. So, from the sample space, ang outcome lang natin kay event ay head-head and head-tail. So, yun yung condition niya. First coin is a head. Another, rolling a die. Diba? Ang mga sample space nito are numbers from 1 to 6. If I just want to get an even number, so ano-ano yung mga possible outcomes? Even number. At ito ay ang 2, 4, and 6. For number 3, choosing a day in a week. Kasi 'di ba? Ang complete list natin for number 3 is Monday to Sunday. But if I want to get or choose the weekends, the possible outcomes are Saturday and Sunday. Another, for number 4, picking a color in a rainbow. So, ano ba yung mga colors na nasa rainbow? Ayun, ang rainbow. So, let's start with red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. But if I just want to pick the primary colors in a rainbow, the possible outcomes are red, yellow, and blue. Number 5. You are trying to decide what to have for breakfast. You can choose between sopas and pandesal. So, ang first choice natin, pantulak ay sopas. Hindi pala pantulak, pangbara. Ano? Yung solid, okay? Solid food, pwedeng sopas or pwede ring pandesal. And your second choices for your drinks are coffee, orange juice, chocolate drink, and water. So, what are the possible outcomes or the complete list for possible outcomes? In sample space, pwedeng ang first choice mo ay sopas and then coffee. Pwede ring sopas, orange juice. Pwede ring sopas, chocolate drink. Pwede ring sopas and water. Pwede rin ang pandesal, then coffee. Pandesal, orange juice. Pandesal, chocolate drink. And pandesal, water. So, this is the complete list of possible outcomes for our experiment number 5. What if I just want to choose that my drink is a chocolate drink? Ayan. Kung ang gusto ko lang na sa second choice ko ay chocolate, ano yung ah, ating mga possible outcomes? And these are sopas and chocolate drink and pandesal and chocolate drink. Ayan. So, sana mas naintindihan natin mabuti ang experiment, sample space, event, and outcome from the event. Yan. Ayun, another activity. Identify if the given statement is an experiment, sample space, outcome, and event. You may play and pause this video once you are done answering. For number 1, flipping a 10 peso coin 5 times. So this is an experiment. So dito manggagaling ang ating trial. Second, drawing a black king from a standard deck of cards. So, deck of cards, ito yung baraha. Ayan. Ginagamit na baraha sa sugal. Ayun. Pero, kailangan lang daw ay black king. May condition. Therefore, this is an event. Number 3, days in a week. Ayan, nakasulat. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Complete list of days in a week. This is a sample space. Next is tail. So, nakalagay lang tail. This is one of the outcome. Number 5, getting an odd number in rolling a die. May condition na naman. So, nag-roll ng die, pero ang kailangan lang makuha ay odd number. This is an event. Number 6, picking a letter that appear twice from the word mathematics. Ayun, no? So, yung letters sa mathematics, ang gusto niya lang ay makuha ang letter na nag-appear twice. May condition. Therefore, this is an event. Number 7, king of spades. So, this is one of the possible outcomes. Kaya, ang sagot ay outcome. Yeah, so, nagbigay lang siya ng isa sa possible outcomes. For number 8, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Violet. Aha, so this is the complete list of the colors in the rainbow. Therefore, this is a sample space. And for number 9, it is a set of CORONAVIRUS. This is a sample space. Ayan. So, yung mga nakaset form, yan po ay sample space. And lastly, tossing a coin and rolling a die simultaneously. This is an experiment. Ayan. Ito yung magiging trial natin. Pagka-toss mo ng coin, roll naman ng die. And so I hope you understand now what is an experiment, sample space, outcome, and event. Ayan. So to wrap up, experiment is any trial or procedure done resulting to a specific outcome. Sample space, it is the complete list of possible outcomes. And an event is a list of favorable outcomes. Outcome is a possible result of an experiment. So, yung pinakaiba ni outcome at sample space, kay sample space po ay nakaset form. Tatandaan niyo na ay nakaset form. Yan. To test yourself, please answer this on your notebook. Ayan, you may play and pause this video once you are done answering. For matching type, match statements or phrases in column A that best describe it with column B. Write the letter of the correct answer. You can repeat your answer. The answers are C, yes or no is a sample space. Nakaset siya, di ba? Number 2, tossing a fair coin twice. So, this is an experiment. It is the result of a single trial of an experiment. Ayan. So, ang tawag dyan ay outcome. Ito yung naging result natin sa ating trial sa experiment. And for number 4, guessing the number of marbles in a container. Uh, this describe a probability. And lastly, choosing the Queen of Hearts from a deck of cards. Meron na namang condition. This is an experiment. Sorry, an event or letter E. To end this, sa buhay, marami tayong mga mapagpipilian. At sa mga mapagpipilian na ito, maaari tayong maging masama, maaari din tayong maging mabuti. Sa mga magiging desisyon mo sa buhay, kailangan responsible enough tayo sa mga magiging outcomes ng mga magiging desisyon natin sa buhay. And remember that life is too short to waste a single day. Grudges are waste of perfect happiness. Laugh when you can, apologize when you should, and let go hatred in your heart. Take chances, take God. Give your best in everything and have no regrets. Learn from every mistakes but never regret. People changes and things go wrong. But always remember, life is too short, so life must go on. Thank you for listening.